Well, as an interim solution, this is what I made. I did not glue the pressure combination to anything, just using Velcro for now. I don't know how it's going to work. I don't know if I'm going to keep it this way. I don't know if I'm going to keep this light combination. This is a Crimson Trace CWL 100, which is a smaller version of their lights. This is the way this works. That's a constant. The other constant, and momentary. What do you think? Upon review, I decided to move the touch panel for the light to the top rail. It's not glued, it's not connected, it's just on the Velcro still, and I added a finger stop to the bottom rail, so now it indexes exactly where my hand should be and will not move forward, and that matches the grip and makes everything work better. Next step is going to be reviewing the optics. We'll see how well this thing holds up. I'm going to take it to the range and see if Velcro is enough. Do I want to do some cable management or not? Because this thing is just hanging by itself. Again, a big help from Extar customer service. They were excellent. They sent me new Phillips screws and even offered to repair the handguard, replace the screws if I were to send them the upper for repair. I decided to try to do it myself and was able to do it, as you noticed. We'll see how this works out. This is not something I'm used to as far as that approach to the mount. Maybe it needs to go under in the rail, but that is where the barrel is, partially. There is a space between the rail and the handguard, right here. I don't know. We'll be testing, we'll be trying. Admittedly, that would probably be better because it allows me to put in fully featured AFG, but that AFG, because of the thickness of the handguard, will not allow me to reach the touch panel, and I would have to move it this way. If I were to go opposite, this still works perfectly well. Review of the light will be coming soon in a more structured manner. This is Extar in progress. One of the early ones. This is one of the first 400. And yes, I knew it was empty. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commenting. If you like what you saw, please click on like and subscribe. If you didn't, click on dislike and don't subscribe. If you have comments or questions, please ask. I try to answer all comments as much as my time allows. We'll see you in the next video.